sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob. MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to.
Under 16 naman tayo sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions. Live tayo dito sa loob ng Banana Court in Las Piñas, Baron Mercado, covering the action. And it's San Juan Mighty Warriors taking on Laguna MC Project. Kanina yung under 14 ng Laguna winning that contest against Zamboanga. Meanwhile, itong MC Project looking to face off against a very, very tough San Juan Mighty Warriors. Angel Verdan, count that baby in and one. Impressive itong San Juan on their previous outing, winning by 90 points. That's how dominant they got. Talking about San Juan, 140, I believe, scored on that last one. 130, 140. Just relentless defense. Everyone really contributing for them. Even this guy right here, the big man, going in for that drive. Big Marco Del Rosario. 17 on that last game. Grabe yung pinakita talaga ng San Juan against Bataan Boss on a very, very convincing fashion. Meanwhile, Laguna, I believe, lost yesterday against Leyte. Kung di ako nagkakamali, sila Nuez, sila Wave Nuez. Again, that was a close contest. That was Laguna's first game. Meanwhile, para dito sa San Juan, they're playing their second. And they really look to be ready sa ating season number 4 ng Junior MPBL. At yun lang ang kanilang gustong gawin as Cruz scores on that. I should say tapos Martin Guime scores on that layup. One of the players that played well yesterday, itong si Martin Guime. Zet Legaspi, and of course, itong si Andre Legaspi also playing well. Tizon has scored and played well also para dito sa San Juan. For me, if I were to really choose that best player of the game, I will give it to Tizon. Really had a lot of points. Aniel Verdan, masyadong malakas ang kanyang pasa. Again, San Juan Mighty Warriors was part of that under 16 classic against Antipolo JY Titans that went the distance. 3 games inabot yon. At walang ibang iniisip itong players ng San Juan to get that championship back, makabawi sa Antipolo. But that three-pointer going in on the side of Laguna. Tizon with a miss. Ball is stopped. Balik ang possession sa kampo ng Laguna. Six minutes 40 remaining. Laguna looking to be close here as Dorian missing on that jumper. Now securing this possession para sa San Juan. Benedict Solas has been here in this game. Ryle Gimarangan. His pass almost intercepted. It is recovered. Good effort by Legaspi. Here's Andre Legaspi. Now they're gonna push the pace. Here is Gime looking to send it out on the corner. But that was a nice read on the defense by San Juan Mighty Warriors. Andre with a jumper that is off to the left. He's looking to secure this rebound. Getting an opportunity, mawawala. Now on the run, making to attack and score at will. Dire-diretso lang on that last play. Bash Boligal, maganda rin ang nailaro ni Bash kahapon. Him tsaka si Santino Tizon really lift up the spirits here as Legaspi misfires on that three. (12-5) is the score. Looking to run away as quickly as possible itong San Juan Mighty Warriors. Gimarangan will call a play here. Ryle sends it on the right side. Balik kay Gimarangan. Someone is open. Opts to not shoot it. Tatawagan ng traveling. Itong si Gimarangan a bit hesitant on that pass. So as I look at our schedule, this is our 5th game of today. After nito, under 18. Tapos balik tayo under 21, dalawang sunod. Under 18 action ulit and then under 21 na naman. So this is the last under 16 ball game we will have for today. Jumper in and out, rebound, spin, shoots, not getting it in. Sayang yun para kay Gaba Conejo. Still a 7-point lead. Looking to attack itong si Van Dorian. .345 remaining. Gonna look to score a lot of points here. Looking for that cross. Nice move by Dorian. Van spins and scores. (12-7) of that steal. Nice rejection. Will get this opportunity. Chunako turns the ball away. A lot of passing, a lot of taps on that last one. 12-7 is the score here. 3:18 or make it 3:10 remaining dito sa ating opening quarter. Legaspi looking to steal this ball away from a Coronel. Nice read on the defense by Dorian. Now on the run, goes for the drive. Martin Gime will be at the line. And so far, Laguna giving a lot of a challenge on the side here for San Juan, giving them a run for their money. 12-7 ang ating score. Martin Gime knocking down the first free throw. 12-7 pa rin ang ating score. Gimme couldn't complete his free throw trips. Devron Benitez naka-score. Chonako for 3. Medyo bitin yung tira doon ni Chonako, and now looking to make a run here, make a score on that drive. Gimme all the way. Making me hyped up of that drive. Talking about Martin Gimme. As Coronel will give it to Chonako, sends it out. I see for the first time itong si Escoto entering the ball game. Jumper, Lebron Benitez with a miss. Escoto with a putback. Lebron Benitez, again one of the best under 16 talents we're having so far. Looking to make his zigzag jumper, won't fall. Mapupunta ang bola after that tap by Tower. 14-9 is the score with a minute 45 remaining. Sakto 105 seconds remaining. Meron muna tayong timeout. Magbabalik tayo.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan. Landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga.
Eight seconds to shoot. Down by 4 ang Laguna. 3 on the way, and it's in. What a first quarter for Martin Gimme. He will take all the challenge. Solid start for Martin. Only down by 1. Itong Laguna susubukang makabawi on this next play. Dorian is in once again, looking to make it for the lead. Maybe ill-advised on that shot. Babawi si Coronel. Passes it inside. Fading away. That is in. Devron Benitez knocking down the fader. Van Dorian breaking the cross on that last play. Cuts. Masyadong malakas para dito kay Zet Legaspi. Escoto, power move. Won't fall, but will be at the line. Will be Zar Escoto. Knocks down the first one. Benitez and Escoto. I see entering the game here for the first time. Itong siya, Kendrick Picazo. (18-13), a 5-point lead para sa San Juan. Swing action. Goes for that shot. Couldn't get that basket to go in. Devron, nice pass. Picazo with a finish. That's what you get when you run on the lane. Kendrick Picazo scoring on that attempt. What a pass by Benitez on the other side. Corner shot, won't fall. Offensive rebound, mahuhulog, and one. Zet Legaspi answered prayer for that shot. Misses on the bonus though. Itong si Legaspi. 20-16. Benitez all the way. Picasso, a bit too late to get that possession, but nonetheless, San Juan ends the first quarter 20-16. But what a good showing by Martin Gime dito sa ating laro. End of the first quarter. We'll be right back.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin.
Second quarter action. Laguna versus San Juan. We have a seesaw battle with San Juan only up by 4 points. Sinabi kong only because on their previous game, they won that one decisively. 90-point win. That's how good this San Juan team is. Pero itong Laguna led by Martin Gime has been keeping in pace, keeping in check for them in this game. Talagang nakakasabay ang Laguna so far. Again, Martin Gime has been playing well for them. Jumper from the elbow. Just couldn't hit on that play. Berdan pushing the pace. Nice spin. Basket by Tizon. He starts things off for the San Juan Mighty Warriors. Again, the runners-up of the Junior MPBL Under 16 as they look to make this a warm-up in preparation of the next season. Meanwhile, for Laguna, of course, they want to make known. Gusto nilang makilala ang kanilang koponan dito, and what way for them to make a statement by beating a team like San Juan. Bringing the ball down, Louis Sandig. Ang ganda rin ng kanyang naging performance dito. Talking about Louis, here he is. Sandig will swing it. And a hold. Berdan apologizing to Big Marco Del Rosario. (22-15) is our score. Sandig looking to attack. Last second pass. It is recovered. One-hand shot. Mintis por Pascual as that rebound is gathered by Hendrix Panganiban. Now on the break. Fakes, shoots, won't fall. Marco gets that rebound. Getting that stop. Sandig once again sends it. Thought about shooting. Here is Del Rosario. Nice pull a chair on that last play. A smart one para dito sa Laguna. Kenji Hernandez has been deployed here para sa Laguna. Let's see what impact he will have, as well as itong si Kurt Pamplona. So two quick guards deployed from the Laguna bench. Ito, Hendrix Panganiban sends it for this jumper that is still no good. Still looking for his first basket. Tried it on the left, on the right. Wala pa rin gumagana on that attempt. But they will get the chance here to play defense once again. Bash Bolingan coming back into the action. Gimarangan on that spot that is off the mark. Balik ulit sa San Juan, I should say. Now stepping in for that three. Missing on that shot was Bash. Van Dorian guarded here by Conejo. Here is Van Dorian and one. Getting that roll, getting that angle to go in. A slow second quarter we are having. After scoring 20 points in the first quarter, 2 points pa lamang ang nai-score ng San Juan. Meanwhile for Laguna, they will get that 3-point play. 22-18 ang ating score. Let's see how will San Juan plays this off. Again, yesterday, everyone had a good game. Now they are in for a tough one as Laguna looking to make one of their biggest wins here. Argonza still couldn't find that basket after that miss. A spin, Ryle Gimarangan nasabitan on that spin. Argonza will be called for a foul. (24-18) makes it both itong si Ryle Gimarangan. And a steal on the other side. Bash Pamplona securing that possession. Gab all the way and he goes in. Now getting his moment itong si Gab Conejo. Conejo at the line will not complete that 3-point play. Andre Legaspi securing the rebound. Now gonna bring down the ball here. Itong si Van Dorian, though missing two or making that 3-point play count kanina. Pass was too soft. Gimarangan bago pa makarating sa intended receiver which is Solas, meron ng foul na naitawag. A foul here. So a unsportsmanlike foul. Clear path foul ang tawag doon on a Van Dorian on a Gimarangan dahil yun na nga, just an easy basket along. Nakatawid na doon. So Ryle Gimarangan will be at the line here. Makes it count on the third try. 3 out of 3. Four out of 4 for Ryle Gimarangan. Again, Gimarangan and Berdan, the potent backcourt of this San Juan squad. Two players that thrive on big moments. Goes for that swing. Solas with a miss. Panganiban secures that rebound. Balik dito kay Cruz. This is Gab Cruz. Now giving it to Kenji Reyes and a steal on the run. Looking for that break. Conejo for 2. Nice pass by Ryle Gimarangan. That is why he is so dangerous. Talking about Gimarangan, he can score and he can dish out some assists this time. Conejo with a pick. Gimarangan sends it. Kendrick Picasso looking to score his 4th point. Hindi nga lang makakakuha ng freebie on the bonus, but he will work hard on the free throw area. As you see on the line, Kendrick Picasso matching the colors of Banana Court. Orange shoes. Making his 3rd point count. Nice touch para dito kay Kendrick. 4:29 remaining. 32-18. 14-point lead. Timeout is called by Laguna.
Liga ng bayan na to,
4:25 remaining. Dito sa ating first half of action, San Juan slowly distancing themselves here from Laguna. Dahil again, this is a very, very tough MC Project Laguna squad. Andre Legaspi to Kenji Reyes. Looking to score on this possession. Cruz, almost a dangerous pass. Dropping it off. Di makahanap ng butas and a steal once again. Looking to make it shake. Makakakuha ng buwelo. Kendrick Picazo. Off foot layup, no problem. That's 6 points for Kendrick. And on that last sequence, it looked like the sea of black just making way for Kendrick on that drive. And Picazo just making it count. A change 5 for San Juan. Goes for the spin, Ramilo for 2. Chunako, balik dito kay Coronel. They look to swing it. Escoto sends it out. 3 by Coronel. That is off the mark. Legaspi secures that rebound. 34-20 is our score here with 2 minutes 55. Martin Guime hindi pa nakakapuntos dito sa ating second quarter. Chonako strong on the cup. What a drive. Just dividing that defense of Laguna. 36-20. 2 minutes 35. Grinding the ball inside was Hendricks. No avail. Looking to push one more time. Escoto this time. Chonako, Escoto, left and right side. No problem. Nice find inside. That is a good play. A much solid one. Completing that basket. Bitin yung atake ni Benitez. Legaspi on the push. Looks to Ramilo. Goes for that screen. Jumper on the way. That is off. Nakaka-2 puntos na magkasunod itong si Ramilo. Meanwhile, Chonako, Escoto from the middle. That is off the mark. Nice tap. It is recovered. Martin Guime. Solid first quarter. Scoreless so far. Referees call for a whistle off ball. Escoto will be sub out here. Maybe seen some blood on that one dahil pag meron talagang labas agad muna. Need to attend on that situation. But what a start, or I should say, I love how San Juan just continued to play well. Again, the score is 38-22. 1 minute 31 remaining. Ball is tapped. Balik ang bola dito sa Laguna. Give it to Legaspi. Going to this Panganiban screen. Andre Legaspi with the leaner. But there's a foul call on a Coronel. Two free throws, Andre Legaspi at the line here, looking to cut the lead. Knocks down the first one. 15-point lead, 38-23. Misses both, or misses the second, I should say. Mix one, miss one. 15 points pa rin ang kalamangan dito. 38-23. Coronel looking to pass it to Benitez. Shot. Chonako for 3. Pushes the lead back to 18 points. 41 to 23. Ramilo. A dangerous pass recovered by Martin Gime. What a find! Sayang yon for Hendrix Panganiban. Just couldn't convert, but still, what a pass on that last one. Hendrix will knock down the first. Misses on the second. Benitez secures that rebound. 41 to 24. Looking to swing it. On the spin, Berdan sends it in the corner. Another three. Masyadong malakas. Chunako lost the grip. Gime on the run. Wala pang puntos dito sa ating second quarter. There it is. But with 15 seconds to go, kaya they are trailing by 15. Chunako missing on that opportunity. Legaspi. Andre sends on that bounce pass. One bump attempt. Couldn't complete that play, was Tower. So Keith will be at the line looking to cut this lead into at least a baker's dozen. Keith James Tower missing on the first one. Misses on both free throws. And that is how we will end our first half of action. 41 to 26. San Juan Mighty Warriors up by 15. We'll be right back.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob, MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo.
Start of the third quarter. Strong 3-point shot by Benedict Solas. As we are on the second half of action. Bakbak ang San Juan and Laguna. Baron Mercado covering the action inside Banana Court. Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions. First quarter, medyo nakakadikit itong Laguna. First 5 minutes of that second quarter, still the same. Pero San Juan always has that switch that they turn on. And when they do, Talagang nakakakuha sila ng mga stops just like that on Mig Marco Del Rosario. Picazo missing on his first shot, could have been his 8th point. And now on the run. Nice intimidation. Sometimes that's just what you need. Intimidating defense for Del Rosario. Solas. 3. Another bomb. This time a miss. Manggagaling kay Rael Gimarangan. As they look to score here, a jumper by Dorian won't fall. Picazo favoring that lower back. Asked to sit out itong si Kendrick Picazo. Maybe experiencing some stress on the back. .835 remaining here. 44-26. Tizon guarded by Legaspi. This San Juan squad has scored their three-pointer to start this third quarter off. .44-26. Van Dorian has played well in that opening half of basketball. Nice fake. Argonza finally finds the middle. 44-28. That is the first 2 points of Laguna. Meanwhile, Gimarangan and company looking to continue. Here it is, pulling up for 3. Got all board. Pascual went for that spin. Nice recovery by Dorian. Gimen needs to be activated here. Only scoring 2 points on that second quarter. And that came into the final 15 seconds. And now on the push, Tizon. Stop and pop. Jumper is too strong. Still a 16-point lead. Legaspi balik kay Dorian. Van looking for this Argonza pick and will attack the defense. Decides to send it out. Legaspi misfires for 3. Going for the run. Gimarangan. Ooh, just couldn't convert on that finish. Del Rosario wanting to tap that ball in. Dorian. Nice defense by Pascual on the other side. Tizon lost control of that possession. 6 minutes 33 remaining. 44-28. Lamang pa rin ng San Juan. Both teams having some difficulty with their baskets.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan. Landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba
6:32 remaining here in our third quarter action. Martin Gime and Laguna facing a 16-point lead. Here's Gime looking for that move. Shot clock violation na. Again, they called a timeout, meaning hindi full 24 yung nakuha nilang shot clock doon. And for San Juan, they look to activate their offense here. Medyo bumagal na naman ang kanilang pag-init dito after scoring the first 3 points. really hasn't scored since. And if that's the case for Laguna, ito na yung pagkakataon nila. Nice play, Ramilo for the roll. Nice find by Gime. Ramilo able to roll that basket in. (44-30) ang ating score with 5:20 remaining. Again, a chance for Laguna. Maibaba ang kalamangan. Just need to make some smart plays. Talking about this Laguna squad who looks to bounce back against that loss versus Wave Nuez. Grabe yung laro na yun. What a performance by Wave. Gime on the other side. They will look to operate. Another nice find. Argonza this time with a finish. That's 2 straight plays na nakalusot ang opensa doon ng Laguna sa San Juan defense. And of course, if you're San Juan wanting to tighten up that defensive stance, yun nga lang merong foul na itatawag as going in this game. Itong si Escoto poporma at the free throw area, one of their role players looking to add more points on their total. Sends that ball in. (46-32) with a 4 minutes 28 remaining. Gime once again. Didiskarte on this play. Balik kay Dorian. Down by only 14. Still doable, but need to find a way. Dorian looks to draw the defense. Shoots it up. That was off the mark. Conejo secures that rebound. Looking to break this defense in. Extra pass. Corner shot. Off the rail. On that one, Conejo will be fouled as he will be back at the line. Again, a slow third quarter. Similar pace dun sa ating nakita. Sandig with a miss on that corner three. Pero itong si Conejo looking to add more points on the board this time. Di siya makakompleto nung una. Knocks down the second one with 3:55 remaining. Legaspi once again trapped. It is rescued by Pascualdo. So a turnover by Laguna. Escoto, Conejo moves and scores. Gab has been playing well. Superb showing for Gab Conejo in this game. Ramilo looking to stop on the dime. Nice defense by Pascual one more time. Gotta give credit to Pascual. Just playing his role on defense. Sandig drops it off. Bash with a miss. Escoto provides another opportunity. Good look by Sandig. Just couldn't hit that three. Bash Boligan will force them to have another shot at this game. (49-32). Almost a quick knockout play on the side of San Juan. Didiskarte sila dito on the other side. Gime I should say, couldn't make on that pass. Angel Berdan closes the dean. 51-32. Berdan just picking his spots in this game. not really aggressive on the offense, just letting the game come to him. Meanwhile, Martin Guime, not yet on the scoring column dito sa ating third quarter. Chonako with a jumper will fall. Just like that, a 21-point lead para dito sa kampo ng San Juan. Alley-oop play, and there you go. With 2:10 remaining, Martin Guime scores his first field goal of the second half. Chonako has hit 1-3, has hit that jumper, balik kay Coronel this time. No good on that last one. I really look forward for Dorian to be more aggressive on the offensive end and take a smaller defender and operate on the post. That is one of the things na ginawa niyang maganda kahapon on that game versus Leyte. I believe hindi ako nagkakamali. Take a smaller guard, then make a post move, and from there he will operate. Either he scores, he makes a pass, or draw the foul. Pero this time, speaking of drawing a foul, here is Panganiban making his free throws count here. A minute 33, mintis yung pangalawa. 53 to 35, 18 seconds ang nalalabi dito sa kanilang shot clock. Jumper, that is off. Last touch daw, sabi ng ating baseline referee. Bola pa rin ng Laguna with a minute 13 remaining, pero 6 seconds ang kanilang shot clock. Let's see if they know, let's see if they're aware, and if they can convert. And a steal on the other side. Chonako takes it home. Hitting 1-3, getting that friendly roll, and now on the defense, a steal and a basket. 55 to 35. Looking to send it once again. This time it's Pamplona. Jumper from the elbow. Masyadong bitin. Benitez sends it out. Berdan spins, almost getting it open. Big Marco. Missing on that one was Del Rosario. Final 24, maaagaw na naman. Here's Chonako. Sends it in the corner, maybe for the last shot. Better ball movement, na-save pa rin. Final 10 seconds to go. 20-point lead. Make it 7 on the clock. Chonako, all day, all space. That is all miss para dito kay Chonako. Pero San Juan will enter the fourth quarter with a 20-point lead. 55-35. Let's see if Laguna can make one more run or will San Juan shut the door completely in this game. Magbabalik kami.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Yeah, gabay at pag-asa ng bayan. Landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to.
Fourth quarter action and a steal by Berdan. Gimarangan, balik kay Berdan. Escoto with a finish. Just like how they started the second half kanina with a 3, this time a steal and a 2 for San Juan. Balik sa 22 ang kanilang abante. Meanwhile, Hernandez will be called for a backcourt violation. Still live here inside Banana Court. Baron Mercado covering the action. As San Juan looking to make it 2 wins in a row. Rael Guimarangan and company looking super impressive again for 2 straight games. Berdan all alone. No one boxing out Conejo. And so far, it's really the role players for the squad. Conejo and then Chunako making damage. Having some solid play so far. Escoto has played well. This is how good, how deep San Juan is. And this is, I mean, if they're going to make one run again dun sa junior MPBL natin, this is a good way for them to get their players involved, get everyone their touches, dahil pagdating nila sa dulo again, if they make it into the finals, kakailanganin talaga lahat ng players for San Juan to really have a solid game. Meanwhile for Laguna, of course, if for them to win a championship, kailangan naman nilang mas pag-igihin pa sa kanilang depensa, and yung kanilang offense needs to be a bit more consistent. Again, slow down on your screen. You look at Martin Gime. He had a solid run. He had a solid game nung first quarter, pero paunti-unti na lang. So far, second quarter, 2 points lang. Nung third quarter, 2 points lang din. So if he's limited to only 2 points per quarter, so that's at least a minimum of 8 points. And if you're Laguna, that's your main guy, maybe he needs some help. And in this game na 28 na ang kalamangan ng San Juan, maybe a time for you to experiment on some weapons na pwede nyong gamitin when you go home on that provincial leg ng Laguna. Here's one player na maganda ang kanyang performance, talking about Ramilo Argonza, a bit shaky in his step. Here's Conejo from the corner. Nice tap to Hernandez. Again, a 28-point lead. Yan ang kanilang kinahaharap dito. Let's see if they can cut this one off. They don't need to make some drastic changes. They just need to get it point per point. At 3 from the corner. Nice tap by Argonza. Sayang daw, sabi ni Marco Del Rosario. Had his hand up and just shoved the ball down, as Argonza will be fouled there. Let's see if he can complete and convert. He rattles the first one in. He makes the second. So 26 ang kalamangan dito na nga San Juan. If you are Laguna, just again, take it point per point, possession per possession. Sometimes, yeah, there's nothing you can do but to play better defense and better reads. This time, a 3 by Tixon. Haven't heard or seen him in a while. Talking about Tixon, Solas will try. So that's back-to-back miss. Window open for Laguna to convert on this next possession. Argonza, a bit too fancy on that play. Tixon all the way. Tizon getting that opportunity, and there you go. Para kay Van Dorian, getting that jumper in. Tizon once again. He discarded this time. Different player, different result though. Solas Couldn't score on that jumper, but he will get that steal and that basket. Won by 90 yesterday. Let's see how many point total ang kanilang maipapanalo. Talking about San Juan in this game. Van Dorian, familiar shot, same result. Making it both. Kanina on the right side, ngayon on the left, a bit closer. 5 minutes 15 remaining into this contest. Tizon starts off the play. Here's Conejo. Ooh, what a move. Able to sneak one in. Good ball movement. A good footwork, I should say. Patient offense. Gab Conejo will now be at the line. Knocking down the bonus. 70-41. Approaching the halfway point, we are in the halfway point mark of this contest. Then Laguna just needs to play smart, and that's your first 2 points of the fourth quarter. Talking about Martin Gime. 27 ang abante. Largest lead, it was 29. Kendrick Picasso for San Juan hasn't returned yet after favoring that back and that alley-oop play. Going in para kay Devron Benitez. Balik sa 29 ang abante ng San Juan. 4 minutes 10 to go. Reyes sends it in the corner. He's Ramilo for two. Still a 27-point lead. Pascual, who's been doing good job on defense, will not convert on his attempts. Pero matatapos tayo dito with a 3:40 remaining with a 27-point lead. So the clock for Laguna medyo not favoring their side as Argonza starts off that play. But again, a good lesson for them to really keep in pace, and a swipe. Coronel just takes that one off easily. (74-45) ang ating kalamangan dito. Talking about San Juan. .240 remaining. Again, a 29-point advantage. San Juan has been, or their game has been slow, but it was steady all throughout. Minsan hindi mo na nga lang mamamalayan. Biglang 20 points na pala ang kanilang kalamangan on how tough this Laguna team is. Dahil every time inaabangan natin yung gagawin ng mga players from MC Project, but San Juan, they are really on a different level so far as they give it to Pascual. Would not complete that 3-point play with 2:08 remaining. As you can see on your background, waiting for their turn ay ang ating mga kuya in the under 21 hour, fourth under 21 or under 18 I should say, mga kuya. Under 18 we will see Zamboanga, Lambo Construct taking on Bataan Almuete Cup. So nanalo na yung Bataan Boss League kanina sa 21 under. Let's see if makakuha pa ng panalo ang probinsya ng Bataan, or will that team from Zamboanga can get another or victory on their hands here dahil yun nga lang kanina falling short against Laguna LBDL Gallants, yung kanilang mga kababayan, mga kapatid in the under 14 division. .30 advantage, 77-47. Kenji Reyes looking to scoot one in. Benitez throws it. Chunako has been playing well. Cannot get that basket to go as a minute 05 ang natitira dito sa ating laro so far. San Juan winning at least with a 30-point margin if they continue being so dominant. A lot of weapons for them, and speaking of which, nice find by Benitez to bash Bolingan. 78-47. Getting that steal and just looking for the finishing touches. Chunako has really played well para sa San Juan. Usually not the usual suspects here. Usually sila Gimarangan yan, Benitez and company. But players like Escoto, players like itong si Conejo, Medes Chunako has played well. Even Kendrick Picasso played well bago siya umupo to favor that lower back. A solid performance. Couldn't cap that one off was Benitez. Meanwhile for Laguna, it was a good challenge from the first quarter. Yun nga lang talagang a bit too much yung consistency ng San Juan. Really, hindi biglaan, no? Not immediate impact, but gets the job done. 81-47, San Juan Mighty Warriors wins their second game. Laguna lost their second straight game, 81-47. Pabalik tayo to continue this game, second half of our Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions.
Liga ng